Astronaut Tim Peake has come up with a novel way of letting people here on Earth share in the adventure of space rockets. And when I say rockets, I'm actually talking about the leafy kind. He's asked children to plant rocket seed, like these, that have been placed to see how they grow compared to normal plants. And it's hoped that one day it could help space explorers to grow food on distant planets, as our science correspondent Palab Ghosh now explains.
The children of the Phoenix School in West London will soon be planting seeds that have been in outer space. They'll be looking to see how they grow compared with normal seeds. The aim of the experiment is to find out whether one day astronauts are ever going to be able to grow food in space. Now that's going to be important if humans in the future are going to live and work on other worlds.
I think it's a good idea to grow food on the moon because you can see the differences between food that we grow on Earth and see how the outcomes are of the fruits.
If the world was to come to an end and the other planets were living and we could plant plants on the other world and grow crops, then it'd be easier for the human life to live on other planets.
So could space-grown rocket grow just as well as plants on the ground? The experiment will be run by the Royal Horticultural Society, who plan to distribute seeds to 10,000 schools.
It gets the children thinking about, how important are plants to us, and if we were to leave this planet, what plants do we need to use?
The Rocket Science Project was launched by Britain's astronaut Tim Peake.
We need to make sure we can grow our own food in space. That's where you come in. We're sending some rocket seeds up to the International Space Station to stay on board for 6 months with me during the Principia mission. And then we're going to send them back down to Earth, and we need you to help our research by planting them and telling us your findings. We're calling this special mission Rocket Science, and we can't do it without you.
Eating on the International Space Station is a little different. The food is freeze-dried, bland, and has a life of its own. So the plan is for astronauts to grow and eat their own food. So far, they've been able to grow seedlings, but it's not been easy.
There are already a few experiments that have been carried out on the International Space Station to grow food. In order to be sure that we can send people away for long duration missions, we need to be able to make sure that we've got the right foods, and that means a variety of different foods, and rocket is just one of the possibilities.
With so many children taking part, the results really will be useful to scientists hoping to find new ways to grow the gardens we see on Earth on other worlds. Palab Ghosh, BBC News.
To boldly grow. Let's catch up with the weather.